Encountered a QTC file alongside QuickTime Media on your computer? This is a support file used by Apple's QuickTime multimedia framework. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these Apple QuickTime support files. If you frequently deal with unusual QTC file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. QTC files are support files used by Apple QuickTime, the multimedia framework developed by Apple for handling various digital audio, video, and interactive content. They contain auxiliary data supporting QuickTime operations, including codec information, playback configuration component definitions, and references to associated media files within the QuickTime ecosystem. Apple QTC. Support files use proprietary formats specific to QuickTime infrastructure storing component definitions, codec parameters, playback configurations, or content metadata. The format integrates with the QuickTime architecture, providing supplemental data needed for proper functioning of QuickTime media playback and processing operations across various media types. Windows often defaults to associating QTC with the Apple QuickTime Player solution from Apple Inc. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows can play back video content, but shot adjustments require editing tools. The solution is usually simple compatibility. Right-click your QTC file and choose Open With. If Apple QuickTime Player is there, test it now. If not, choose another application. Keep going until the QTC file opens. When your QTC file does not open, it is usually a small issue. You're dealing with a truly tricky QTC file. We must now test the most common points of failure. Let's see exactly where the error is originating. First, opening with QuickTime Player. Launch QuickTime Player on macOS or Windows where supported and attempt to open the QTC file through File, then Open. QuickTime may automatically process the support file in conjunction with associated media. On macOS, QuickTime Player is built into the operating system, while Windows users need the legacy QuickTime installer from Apple's archive. Next, examining file contents. Open the QTC file in a hex editor like HXD or 010 editor to inspect the binary contents and identify the specific QuickTime component or support purpose. Look for atom signatures characteristic of QuickTime container formats. The header information typically reveals the file's role within the QuickTime framework and associations with related media files. Finally, using compatible media players. Try opening the QTC file in alternative media players that support QuickTime formats like VLC Media Player or MPlayer. These applications include QuickTime-compatible codec support and may handle QTC files in conjunction with their associated media. VLC's robust format support often successfully processes various QuickTime-related file types. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.